Luxury design maker Caviar is back with new custom smartphone that costs thousands of dollars. This time we are talking about the freshly announced Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 Kabubu edition. Caviar Kabubu collection draws inspiration from Labubu, a brand of collectible plush toy monsters elves created by Hong Kong Belgium designer Kasing Lung and sold exclusively by Chinese retailer Pop Mart. While these elves designed by Lung are called Labubu, Caviar is referring to their version as Kabubu. The Kabubu edition of both the Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 features 24 karat gold and has jewelry enamel. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Kabubu edition shows the Kabubu set against a textured Martian landscape, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Kabubu edition shows Kabubu against a Venus inspired setting. The Flip 7 edition starts at $8,900, while the Fold 7 edition starts at $10,340. Caviar said it will produce only 8 units of each, as 8 is considered a very lucky number in China.